I'm just picking out my colors for my next mural. It's going to be a pretty fun one because I get to paint a skate park. Sort of like one of those skate parks that's a little forgotten, but it had potential. There's a little street section that's not too bad. The bowl's pretty big and nice, but I'm not going to touch that just because I don't want to make that concrete slick. I'll show you the collection that I have so far, what colors I'm looking to roll with. Got your blues, yellows, pinks, greens. Next up, I need to choose out my red color fades. And then I might get like a turquoisey sort of mid-blue, some browns, lighter browns, black, white, and then we'll be ready to roll. So here we are at the park on day one. I'm going to paint all these sections that are white, so you can see these seats just here. And like the box, you got a whole bunch of areas up here as well, but it's pretty rainy today. So I've dried off a few areas, hopefully I can hit them, but we'll see what happens. Got this bank, this box just here, seating areas. That's the road that people drive in, on and past and everything. So I decided to hit this bank just here. I usually don't like to paint surfaces that people are going to skate on, but I mean, this got primed like 2 months ago, and how much erosion there's been, not much. It's built pretty shit, to be honest. The bottom just sort of falls in really quick. It's like pretty steep. It's not a fun thing to skate. So from the road, that's going to be like the main feature. The turf down here just got put in, so this park's going to look like almost brand new by the end of this. What's up guys, it's first thing in the morning. Get back onto the color today. It's a little frosty this morning. I was going to outline my first sections, which are just there. I think it's just too wet, too cold. So I'll grab the cans out, do a bit more color. Yeah, I'm going to jump right into it. that's today all wrapped up. I got the color line work and completely done on about half of the skate parks. The fun box over the top. This one just here, black tops on them. This one was hard to paint with all the little, see the little holes and everything in it. A little bit harder to paint. So I'm having to check out a little early from here. The rain's coming, so you know I got enough done. These 3 boxes just here in the session. 1, 2, 3. But there's a few kids here skating. This dude just learned how to drop in. Spray painted his board for him. Do you reckon you got another drop in? Cool, dude. Have fun, man. Keep skating, eh? So, pretty classic. I made a big mistake and decided to delete all of the rest of the footage of the painting accidentally. So instead of continuing that painting edit, I'm just gonna have a skate around this park and show you exactly what it looks like.
Who are you?
So yeah, that's about it. The skate park mural. It's a fun one to paint. I mean, it's all legit. It's even got the little plaque here on the box. So I finished up and check it out. So thanks for watching the video. If you want to see me paint other murals, feel free to click through, subscribe, like, do all those good things, because I make videos like this all the time.